Alright guys, today we have the 2018 C43 Mercedes-Benz. And before we get into the video, like the video, subscribe down below. But man, look at this color, and it is bi-turbo. As you can see, you have that white paint with the black AMG wheels with the AMG brake calipers, and it does have that blacked out front lip. Usually these come chrome, but I like the black touch, and this does has the night package as well. AMG on the badge, and pay attention to the details. LED intelligent light system, man. Black mirror caps. You have the black trimming going all the way around the door seal. You have the chrome frame on the door handle, and this does have the smart access feature where you can just tap this button right here and the door will lock for you, and you can place your hand behind it and she'll open right up. And man, look at that gigantic roof that it has. Coming along to the back, you have that carbon fiber spoiler, and you have that fin at the back as well. Check out those exhaust pipes, guys. And today we are at Auto Collection, as I showed you in the beginning of the video. C43 AMG on the other side. Have a nice rear diffuser as well. And man, let's go ahead and step in the inside, guys. So as we open up the inside, as you can see, you're immediately approached with the AMG. Coming along to the door, I like this nice aluminum with the black leather with the red stitching as well. Man, that's a nice touch. Have the trunk release right here. You have the two windows. You have your mirror controls right here. And you have all of your power seat adjustments and heated and cooled seats as well. Man, but coming along to the interior, you have some nice Alcantara right here. Heated and ventilated seats, as I just stated. You have some nice Alcantara. You have the flat bottom steering wheel with the AMG, so they know that you're not in a normal C300. Check out the dashboard. Have 180 on the dash, and like I said, night vision, as you all can see. Have this nice wood right here. Have that red stitching again. And let's check out the back seats. Back seats have somewhat of some Alcantara for the back passenger. And I believe these speakers right here light up at night. Please put down in the comment below if I'm wrong. They also have some AC vents as well. But man, check it out, guys. Let's go ahead and step in. I forgot to mention, check out the brake aluminum and gas pedal aluminum as well. All of your light controls. You have your 360 camera view so you don't curb those wheels. Have that digital retro clock. Have your navigation, radio, media, telephone, all that good stuff. You have your climate controls up here, guys, in case you didn't want to control it with this screen right here for you. There we go. As you can see, the AMG screen does come on. This have a very nice sound system. Man, Mercedes-Benz kill it every time. You all can see the gigantic sunroof. I love the way Mercedes-Benz does their seats as well. Alright now guys, the real question is the C43, let me turn down the radio. But the real question is the C43 worth it over the C63? Obviously it's not, because the C43, it only gives you 360 something horsepower, whereas if you pay an extra $20,000-$30,000, you can just go ahead and be inside of the C43. the actual real 63, guys, that's going to give you I believe like 500 horsepower, so 200 extra horsepower, somewhere around there. But man, this car does look nice for the price range of it. It's starting around $50,000 or whatnot. But man, I honestly just don't think that it's worth it to pay for this car when you can pay an extra $20,000 to go ahead and be in the C43. That's just my honest opinion. But like it or love it, please comment down below what you think about this car. And as far as that, like this video, guys. Please subscribe below. We're slowly growing, but we're for surely growing. As far as that, I'm gonna check you all out in the next video. This Fastlane M5, and I'm out. Peace.